The famous South Korean car manufacturer Hyundai has confirmed to bring the facelifted versions of their famous mid-size SUV Creta, which is set to debut on November 2021 at the Indonesian Auto Expo. Hyundai Creta remains one of the best-selling SUVs in the Indian market and now is going to receive the facelifted version with a number of cosmetic changes both in exterior and interior. Hyundai hasn't changed the overall dimension of the Creta, but they have tried to make it more aggressive, sportier by borrowing the design inspirations from the 4th generation Hyundai Tucson, which is currently on sale. By borrowing the design, the new facelifted Creta will come to the Indian market in the first half of 2022 at the expected price between rupees 11 to 18 lakhs ex-showroom. After launching the Indian market, the SUV will have to compete against Kia Seltos, Skoda. After launching the Indian Taygun, Nissan Kicks, and MG Aster. In terms of power, the new 2022 Creta facelift will continue the same petrol and diesel engines as the current Creta. V6 contains 1497cc 1.5-liter petrol engine, which can be able to produce 115 horsepower and 144 Nm of peak torque, and 1493cc 1.5-liter diesel engine that can be able to generate 115 horsepower and 250 Nm of peak torque. The engines will be mated to an 6-speed manual or 6-speed torque converter AMT transmission. The petrol version power and torque of 17 kmpl, whereas the diesel versions will offer the mileage of 21 kmpl. It could also get a 1.4-liter turbo petrol engine which can produce 140 horsepower and 242 Nm of peak torque, mated to a 7-speed DCT AMT gearbox. Talking about the exterior design, the new facelifted Creta will get sportier rug look and will receive a number of cosmetic changes. Up front, it will get rectangular LED projector headlights with half mirror type split LED DRLs, more aggressive Tucson-inspired parametric dual front grille with Hyundai badging at the center, sleek black air inlets, updated front bumper with plenty of silver inserts, and front fog silver skid plate. The side profile will get power heated wide beams with indicated turn indicators, body color door handles, tinted glass, chrome strip at the windows, roof rail, blacked out B and C pillars, side body molding, large wheelers with black cladding, and new set of crystal cut multi-spoke alloy wheels. The rear profile will not receive major changes except the boot lid. It is likely to continue split LED tail lights, Hyundai badging at the center of the boot, rear washer, defogger, and rear wiper, tailgate indicated spoiler, spoiler mounted emergency braking light, shark fin antenna at the roof, rear fog lights, updated rear bumper with black cladding and silver highlights, and rear fog silver skid plate. The interior of the SUV has been updated with a number of updated features including the airy cabin, premium quality soft touch materials, new silver accented dashboard setup with dash mounted silver highlighted AC vents, electric power adjustable leather wrap flat bottom 4-spoke steering wheel with steering mounted controls, fully digital instrument cluster with TFT multi information display, 8-inch big touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto along with Bluetooth navigation system, smartphone connectivity, USB port, Bose premium sound system with 8 speakers, remote trunk opener, front and rear cup holders, dual zone auto climate control, wireless smartphone charger, push button start and stop, ambient lighting, remote keyless entry, electronically adjustable panoramic sunroof, well cushioning ventilated seats for comfortable ride with adjustable driver seat, rear seats with 60/40 splitting options, an armrest, and 433-liter bigger boot space. The SUV will get a number of radar-based safety and assistive features including monocoque structure, ABS with EBD, hill assist control, ISOFIX child seat anchorage, speed sensing auto door lock, child safety lock, electronic stability control, electric parking brake, tire pressure monitoring system, cruise control, auto brake hold, high beam assist, multiple airbags, and 360-degree camera with front and rear parking sensors.